Hello all, today I'll be teaching you how to install these two softwares. Okay, so in the WhatsApp I have provided you these two software. You download it and you put it in your machine. Once you have it in your machine, then you can start installing it. So these two files are there. So first of all, we will install WAMP 5. Okay, so the steps are pretty simple. Alright, so we will click like this and then we'll have this next button. Here you have to just simply accept. Then click next. It might say this because I had earlier installed it, so you can just simply write yes and WAMP server. Whatever defaults comes, you just keep clicking next, and you can click on this also. It will automatically launch when the machine starts. Then click on next, let it be like this, and keep installing it, and let this installation process carry on. Once it is over, okay, once this is over, you will have like this. So whatever folder is there, click on that, and then this local host should come. This term is important, so click on next, any domain thing, next. And this also by default comes C window, so you'll choose that in what browser you want to open. So you will do this, then you can write open. Would you like to install this? Also you can simply click yes and let the installation finish. Okay, so it will take some time, then it will be over like this. Will launch, so you finish. Okay, so once that process is over, you can check out here. See that after you have successfully installed your WAMP server, this is the icon, this is the, and you click it here, you'll see WAMP 5, and if you click here, you will see that this type of menu comes up. So it's very important that this menu is there, and it should be like this. Okay, this Apache server, then MySQL. This is the server which will help us in running our SQL command. All right, so here it should be, see, it is already in the running mode. All right, so if you have to stop, okay, and sometimes you'll see that when you open the machine, it's in this like this red red square is there. So in that case, you can restart service. Okay, so but if it is properly installed, you'll see it like this. Okay, so let it be like that. So once you get this menu, that means you have successfully installed. So that is one software done. The server part is done. Okay, then we'll now try and install this MySQL. Click on this. This is also simple. All you have to do is click on next. Most of the time it's next. Okay, so I already have this, so it's saying modify. For you all, it will come full. All right, so it will just click next. There's also nothing to deselect or select. Just click on next, install, and let this whole thing finish. All right, so that means both these softwares are done. This WAMP, it's important. You'll see the taskbar, you'll see this icon, this one, it looks like a semicircle. All right, so that means it is installed. And for the other software, that is MySQL, you can do one thing. You can click on programs. It's not getting highlighted. Okay, there you'll have, it's too bright. To check for MySQL, you can click on all programs. Earlier it was bright, now you can see. Okay, this MySQL option should come in your all programs. Right, click on that. Go to this option number 3. There are other options also, don't go there. Straight go to query browser. Okay, click on that. And because you're doing it for the first time, it will come like this. Now this already I have inserted these values, so it's for you people, it's coming like this. Okay, for you people it might come blank. So in that case, you can do one thing. This stored connection, this particular tab, okay, you click on that. All right, so here you'll get this window in which you can create a new connection. So click on new connection. All right, so here is the name of the connection that you can put. So I'll just make it new connection 1. And then very important here is your host name. Host name should be local host. Okay, and then username, you can just type it. By default, we always type root. So these values you have to provide: name of the connection, username, and host name. Then after that, you can click on these 3 values you have to provide. This 3306 will already be there. So click on apply. and close. So whatever connection you have prepared, it will come here in stored connection. So if you have created a new connection, it will come here. That was my second connection, so it will come like this. Okay, for you people, because you're doing it for the first time, it will come like this, new connection. Okay, so once you load that, you'll see all the values that we have entered. Localhost and root has come. No password, just click on okay. Okay, then you will get this window. This is the window that we are looking for. Okay, so for the time being, you have to get this window. Try to get this window. Okay, I'll be providing you the softwares. Please try to install it. Okay, and then once you have this windows, then we can start doing our SQL programming, creating tables and database. Please try it.